Does your Audi have the Audi Drive Select option, but you don't know how to use it? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to use the Audi Drive Select option in your Audi. But first, let me explain shortly what the Audi Drive Selection option does. Audi Drive Select is a system that allows you to adjust the driving characteristics of your Audi to your personal preferences. With Audi Drive Select you can customize the engine, transmission, steering and suspension settings to suit your driving style, and it can be very helpful especially in different weather and road conditions. In comfort mode, for example, the car will prioritize a smooth and relaxed driving experience, while dynamic mode will make the car feel more responsive and sporty. Besides, Audi Drive Select can help you save fuel by adjusting the car's characteristics and prioritizing fuel efficiency. But how to use the Audi Drive Select? There are two options to enter the Audi Drive Select menu. The quickest way is to click on the Drive Select button, which is usually located in the center console. By clicking on the Drive Select button, you can scroll down the menu and select the different driving modes. The other option to enter the Audi Drive Select menu is via the Audi MMI. Go to the Audi MMI and click on Car. You will now enter the Audi Drive Select menu, where you can scroll down the different driving modes and select the driving mode to your preference. The comfort mode prioritizes a smooth and efficient driving experience, helping you save fuel in the process. Auto mode adapts the engine, transmission and suspension to provide the best possible driving experience. It is an excellent choice for drivers who want a smooth, comfortable ride without having to manually adjust the car settings. Dynamic mode delivers a sporty and responsive driving experience. The engine and transmission are set to their most responsive settings, while the suspension is stiffened up for better handling and road grip. But it also prioritizes performance over fuel efficiency. By using the individual mode, you can customize the car settings to suit your preferences. Click on the plus to open all settings. Thank you for watching this video, thumbs up if you liked this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG CAR tutorials.